Now we are live on Zoom and on Facebook.
Great.
So welcome everyone to this wonderful program. So this is Coin News Extra. We present weekly crypto market, cryptocurrency market review and coin analysis. And as usual, your anchor is Vama. And today we'll be talking about Vama will be talking about best ICOs and altcoins in pandemic. So stay tuned and enjoy the program. So Vama, you're welcome.
Thank you so much, Lee, once again, for inviting me. So what I'm going to talk today is on the ICO as well as the best altcoins I feel. So this is always not a legal or a financial advice. This is more like from my analysis. So I definitely recommend anyone watching this to do their research well before that. So let me quickly just start my PowerPoint presentation. So today we are going to discuss specifically on important things related with ICOs and altcoins. We already are aware about this topic, so this is not anything new. But what one important aspect, what I feel right now is people have information, but it's like everywhere. So they need to be very much focused on what are the best metrics they can observe and try to understand which is working for them, which is not working for them, or did do a very good research on that. So we are going to talk about 3 top ICOs, which I feel is important right now during the pandemic, as well as I'll show you a website where we could see specifically like how to do research and be updated about the upcoming ICOs and stuff like that. And I'll also talk about something called as altcoins. So we know that other than Bitcoin, we have so many altcoins which are doing pretty well right now. When Bitcoin has actually crossed $12,000, it keeps going up and down, but it's very bullish because from the time I say, let's say from May till now, it is a $3,000 bullish. Okay, so it has increased more than $3,000. So I feel the altcoins also move in that direction. And which 3 altcoins is my best bet? I in the previous sessions I have recommended Cardano, so that's already there. But I also wanted to give some more specific altcoins which I believe in, and I feel that they're going to have a great impact. So let's just get started. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can always send a message on the chat box, or even try to reach me only anytime. Okay, so let's just get started with the ICOs first. So the first and the most important thing what I see right now as an ICO is the dog data. Okay, right now if you see in the current market, blockchain is everywhere. This blockchain technology is everywhere, and especially with people struggling to get the coronavirus vaccination, there are pets around them who are fully dependent on the owners. And even after the coronavirus, let's say for example, these pets are going to feel lonely because right now the owners are spending a lot of time with the pets, but this is going to be a little tough time for dogs and pets like that. But what I mean to say is there's a specific kind of an ICO which is helping this community. So this is like little bit information I wanted to gather and share with you. Okay, so this company is from Estonia. It's in Europe. So the website is dogdata.io, and it's a platform based on Ethereum. It deals with artificial intelligence, and the pre-ICO start date was April 18, 2020, and the pre-ICO end date was March 20, 2020. So it's very useful right now. And if you see here, it employs this technology for registry of immutable dog life data, including coronavirus vaccination, immunization, blood test dates, without which pet travel would not be possible to and from 50 countries. Okay, it tokenizes the platform's potential pet dog product market through exchange of dog life data for dog food purchase discount. Okay, so what they are trying to do here is using data as one of the checkpoint to try to utilize it for multiple items. Okay, it could be related with the health of the pet, it could be related with something related with their behavior, their food purchasing aspect, okay, everything related with the owner and stuff like that. So these are the core values which I found very useful in this specific ICO. They have integrity in their registry and activities. They talk about that. They have a total commitment to the advancement of dog shows, dog products, and dog welfare through better genetic breeding result analysis. So this is the benefit if you are into their ICO. We protect the well-being and healthy of every dog, pure or mixed breed. We are committed to the interests of dog owners and we monetize their passions. We uphold the highest standards for our operation and administration. We carry out extensive research on dogs and solutions that are using deep data analysis. We promote the increased funding on research on virus mutation between dogs and human, and we commit to donating part of profits to dog charities indefinitely. So you see, they're talking about the entire ecosystem. It's just not about the dog or a pet. It's also about the data which they are getting and how they are going to monetize that passion, because it's for the interest of the dog owners after all. And if you are using artificial intelligence, if you are using Ethereum as a platform, I think this is a perfect ICO I recommend. Keeping in mind, this is one of the need which is getting solved with the large amount of pets at home with their owners right now. So this is something I wanted to highlight. So let us just go also on their website, just see the creativity part, specifically with this company. Okay, so this is the website dogdata.io. You see the creativity involved by Bone USD. Okay, so they're talking about bone. That's what dog love, right? Total supply, see this much. Exchange, which exchange it is available. Okay, and what are the pairs they are going to support. Okay, so this is their USD to Bitcoin to Ethereum. Their white paper is there, which is very, very important. So you should read the white paper. These are the technology partners they have already selected. Companies like IBM and GitHub, Hyperledger. Okay, so there's like all credible companies. Information about what information they're going to provide on the dog. Okay, so this everything is written. One can go even think about AI to reduce genetic dog disease in breeding. Okay, so this is next level thinking, and this is very, very important. And this is like some solutions which they have, they're showing to the investors right now. And this is the exact presence they have. Okay, the customers, the media, everything. And there's a very good video you can obviously watch. And this is one thing I really like about any ICO or altcoin is their roadmap. Okay, so they have a very strong roadmap starting with 2019 till 2020 and till 2021 till quarter 4. Okay, so they have actually done a lot of research, and if you see the website, it's a well effort website, and I feel this is a very good platform for ICO. This is the number one which I wanted to share. Let's just quickly think about other platforms as well, because it's not about just single one. So the next one is Tycoon. Okay, so this Tycoon is a very interesting name, because when you hear the word Tycoon, you feel so associated with that. So this is specifically a secured interface between professional traders and end users. What happens is all activities of the traders are monitored via a secured API connection in real time and can be copied to a follower's portfolio automatically. Each user manages his own investments at his preferred exchange, being able to access his portfolio at any time. Okay, so what they're trying to do is they're trying to remove the third-party associations, institutions like banks, who basically you have to depend generally to actually see your portfolio analysis and stuff like that. Let's say, for example, mutual funds. So you need to have a contract with a broker, as well as you have to have that documentation done. And then again, every time you need to do the KYC update. Okay, so know your customer update. So it's just a one-time KYC here, and how you can be pretty sure about your personal trading and your portfolio, things like that. So this is a very interesting ICO I find. Why Tycoon? Manage your own investment at preferred exchanges. I am highlighting the point, preferred exchanges. So think it like, for example, there are multiple exchanges, you want to put your baskets of multiple altcoins, or let's say even you want to trade something else. So what I mean to say is you can actually monitor them very closely. You don't have to depend on third party exchanges that way. They have a secured API connection real time. So this is talking about security. Platform is developed with the highest security standard. This is very, very important. Investment is never stored on the platform. So this is also something new to hear. What are their core values? So they have copy investment, classified traders, follows confidentiality, traders benefit without additional effort, privacy protection. So they are also talking everything around privacy concerns, and they're also telling that your data is pretty much secured. So they are from Germany. I'm going to even show you their website right away. So because I believe in physical evidence, that's also very important. They started their pre-ICO in July 22, 2019. So it's a year back, maybe one year and 1 month roughly. And they ended their pre-ICO in December 14th, 2019. And this was also founded 1 year ago. So this is the latest kind of information I'm trying to give, latest company from Germany. Okay, this is specific. So let's just show you Tycoon, how it looks like. So this is an amazing website. If you see here, the future of assets, social crypto trading made simple. Right. So these are some of their reputable, testimonials, or I can say some reputable brands which are using it. And see the way they have designed the website, how you can become a tycoon in 90 seconds. There's a short video you can watch and see the way they have designed things. It's just amazing. It's like you're sitting and you're seeing your balance sheet where you're putting everything. It's like everything at a single place. Okay, so it's like something like that, and it's more secured. Okay, so that you don't have to depend on third parties and stuff like that. And this is what they recommend to buy the token. This is the price. Okay, so this is, you have to do the research anyways, but I've seen it very nice as a very good ICO. I mean, seeing founders, so one important thing I realize is if you have founders having good experience and influence, and they're very active on Reddit. Okay, so if you find them very active on Reddit, that means the company is very much active. That's fun. They have advisors, they have team. Okay, and everything is very, very simple. Okay, so it's like you see here, all the social media accounts is there. Right, so this just shows how good they are, and this is the white paper. It's in multiple languages. Do you see this? So it's also very interesting. This is everything one can go through. So this is the second one which I wanted to recommend as the second top to ICO. Let's just go quickly to the third one. It's known as Too Local. Okay, now that's a very interesting name, to be honest. Something which is very local. Okay, so this was developed on a blockchain-based platform, which is obviously Ethereum. They provide a convenient marketplace for consumers that wish to connect with their favorite companies. Okay, so for example, I am very much associated with a good company, and I want to purchase a lot of goods from that. Let's say Amazon, for example. I purchase a lot of items locally, from Amazon India. Okay, so how to actually try to connect with them in a convenient marketplace. Okay, so this is a platform which is trying to talk about sustainability and bringing prosperity to the world. They also believe that there is a place for everyone in the worldwide economy of the future, although they believe that it must be more local and less hectic. Okay, so this is something which they believe. This is the timeline when they started. This was the price when they started L2L. Okay, and it was registered in the Netherlands, and obviously there are some restrictions. Some countries cannot participate in this, and other than these countries, I think everyone can provide as long as they do the KYC. So it started in 2018. It's in the communication industry. That's what marketplace, two people talking to each other, trying to connect and know about each other, knowing about the local services and stuff like that. I think in India we have Reliance Jio as an example, which is getting into this specific area, which is very, very important. They started with specifically with mobile SIM cards, and then they have got in competition with the best e-commerce companies right there, right? So they have got a lot of investments. So getting into communication is one important thing. So this is what this company is doing, Too Local. Let's just quickly jump on their website and see how beautifully they have again designed. So blockchain 3.0 powered platform to connect local marketplaces. This is what they accept, and this is again in 15 languages. You see people having more languages. 100K plus community of potential users. Okay, these are some of the reputed companies on this. This is the ranking. Hacker is one good website I know investing. So they have given some information about the media. Okay, and get monthly cashback. So these are some kind of schemes which they are showing to make you get into their ICO investment. Okay, this is something they're showing. So there's like so many things here you can always go through, right? See the creativity here, right? Tokenomics. Okay, so they're talking about economics and tokens very nicely. There's a video. There's yeah, see this again, the roadmap. Okay, so this is very interesting. Quarter 4 till the end of the year is given, and this is the profiles. This is stuff like that. So one can obviously go and check tolocal.io. I recommend this as well as the last and the third ICO I see right now. Very useful. So I've done a lot of research before coming to this. If I say why ICOs and all, so you can go to this website. This is known as coindex.com and see the ICO calendar. And here you can see what is the ongoing start date, ending date of ICOs. So if you feel there are more ICOs you want to check, what is the fund they have raised in dollars, and what is the percentage completed. If it's remaining, obviously you are ready to invest. If it is completed, if it is upcoming, so everything you can get it here, all the information. And you see everything is bullish today. I think it's again getting back. There was a little bit down BTC, now it's getting back, which is good. Right, so these are some things I wanted to show in ICO. We will jump back more into others as well, but let's come back to the presentation right now. So we are now going to talk about one important, very important, not just important, one very important altcoin, which I feel is going to change everything right now. I have a lot of belief in this. It's called Xrp Ripple. Okay, so besides Bitcoin, Ripple is probably the most used coin for cross-border payments by many leading financial institutions, including banks around the world. You know that every bank in most of the countries know this company. They have invested billions of dollars to startups, and they're doing great job already. Besides acting as the primary currency for performing transactions within the Ripple ecosystem, the Ripple coin can also be used for performing easy and affordable global financial transactions. So they are trying to bring change to the current economy. Okay, so they have three various kind of products: RippleNet, Xcurrent, and Xrapid. So there are multiple use cases. You can obviously go to the website and check. And as I said in my last speaking session, they want to become the Amazon of the cryptocurrency world. So this is something good to highlight. One Financial Times report person, Mr. Ethan, from head of Ripple developer, he just said like they're moving from writing checks to writing code. Okay, so this is something very useful information for you, right? And what they're trying to say is Amazon started as a bookseller and just sold books. We happen to have started with payments. 2 years from now, we are going to find that Ripple is to payments as Amazon was to books. Okay, so this is a very big claim the CEO has, Brad Garlinghouse. So if they have this belief, they have a very amazing roadmap you can anyway see. And I'll just like to show you what you have missed if you have not invested in XRP in the past. So we just see the cycle of XRP. So I believe in 2017 the price was $0.03. It's just like pennies. Okay, and then it reached $3.67. That is just in a year. Okay, so I don't know how much time it is, but it's too huge. It again fell back. Okay, and it right now it's at 0.29. So even if somebody invested, let's say in 2017, they waited for 3 years, regardless of they were unable to take out their investment, still they are at profit, very huge profit. So what I mean to say is, if you're bullish on something, keep the investment for a longer period of time and just wait and make a strategic decision when to take out stuff like that. Okay, you see, because this again, if it has a strike, what I can say is has a spike like this. Maybe 3 years or 2 years down the line, what if it crosses that, or what if it reaches even half of that? Still, this investment would have been a very good ROI, I think. So this is one very recommended top altcoin I recommend right now, which is the XRP right now. Let's just jump quickly on the next part. So we have by Mr. Justin Sun something known as Tron Trx. Okay, so if you are a supporter of the decentralized economy and prefer an economy where monetary transactions are no longer governed by centralized entities such as banks or the government, you should certainly check out the Tron project. Tron is a blockchain based operating system that allows developers to build futuristic decentralized applications, smart contracts, etc. on the blockchain. It aims to develop an ecosystem or a kind of a new internet which is completely run by blockchain. Okay, so we don't have any banks involved here. It also doubles as a global decentralized content management system based on blockchain technology. So it's like something they are building on top of it. Okay, so something like a content management system based on the blockchain technology. So this is an amazing one specific coin I wanted to recommend, right? So let's just go and see what has happened with the Tron in the past. So I'm just here on the Tron page. You see here it started with 0.002. Okay, that's very less. In 2017 December 4, it reached something 1.6. Okay, so 0.02 to 0.16 is huge. Right now it is at 0.02. Okay, so what it was 0.00006, sorry, right, and it is now at 0.02. So still it is a profitable venture if somebody invested in 2017, and 3 years down the line it is still I can say more than 10x. Okay, so it is already there. But what if in future it reaches this amount, and you even if it reaches here, it's still profitable? That's what I mean to say. So just be bullish on this kind of charts and do a lot of research on this. And so this is what I wanted to show with Tron. And let's just also see something updates on Tron, which I have been observing. So they have seen an increase of 49% in past 7 days and 85% in past 30 days. This is an update on August 18th. So you can understand that how important is Tron right now. It's just bullish. And here is one more post by somebody saying that it has already hit a 52-week high today. Okay, it's on August 15. So you see, if somebody would have invested even 52 weeks before, they would have seen a lot of results. And that's what, let's say you invest today and you see results after 52 weeks. That's what whole the plan should be. It should not be a short term. It should always be the long term in terms of that. Let's just jump to the last specific coin which I wanted to share. It's called Binance coin, BNB. Okay, it is the largest cryptocurrency asset exchange, and in 2017 it was issued its own token. So they also have an exchange, right, by Binance. Okay, so they are already very successful, and they're running on the Ethereum network. Earlier it was on ERC20 token, but from April 19 it's purely on Ethereum, and they are very successful because there's already a total supply of 200 million. That's some data I had in the past. As per the white paper, they plan to use 20% of their profits each quarter to buy back and burn BNB. Okay, so this is what XRP also does. They burn it until 50% of the total BNB supply, 100 billion, is burned. Okay, the BNB token itself has multiple forms of utility, underlying gas that powers the Binance ecosystem. Okay, so what I mean to say is all this kind of different kind of cryptocurrencies and the altcoin which you have seen have a very good ROI, and it is good to invest as long as you are able to lose it. So even if you invest $5 and if you are okay to lose it, then only you invest. Don't invest more than something which you don't want to invest like that. So this is I am showing the Binance chart right now. It started with $0.13 in 2017. Right now it's at $22. So I don't even know what's that percentage, but that's amazing, right? From 0 point something to $22. It has reached a peak of something 36, 37 or something, $37. So what if in the future, even if it's right now at 23 and if it's like 27, still it's a profitable deal, right? So you just have to wait and see the results after a year or something like that. Right, so this is more on the altcoins and stuff like that. Now let me just come back to news. So I use Google Alerts, so I get a lot of news about regular updates on cryptocurrency. For example, this is one of my niche. I try to learn and think about blockchain and all. So Google has opened a door to mass cryptocurrency updates. And this is just a news. I don't know if it's true, but if it is true, it's a big news if Google is coming into the cryptocurrency world, right? In India, if you see, it's being said like it is going to be the best payment cards network. I was actually talking to Lee about specifically like I've seen it Mastercard and even Visa coming in hand and joining with cryptocurrencies, so that even if you're having a Mastercard or a Visa card, you can buy a coffee using a cryptocurrency, something like that, right? So it has been clearly mentioned Visa and Mastercard will allow Indians to use payment cards as digital, okay, wherever they are officially accepted. So you see there's an article also by CNBC. Mastercard expands cryptocurrency program to allow more firms to issue cards on its networks. So no, the good part is it's so bullish news, and I feel you should also try to see more bullish news, because there will also some bearish news. So you should see and evaluate that. So that's what this website is. I said last time also, go to Crypto Panic and just select here bullish, and you will get the latest updates. Just refresh it and you will get the latest updates you will get, and even who are the gainers and loss from top 50. So all kind of information at a single place. This is amazing. You don't have to do much research and all, so you can get a lot of information here. And think about obviously positive news, because if you see bearish news, so you will think like, what if I lose everything? But it's just about patience, and it's about waiting time. So the more you wait, the more are the chances that you'll be successful. So that's what I wanted to present today. Thank you so much, Lee. And back to you, Lee. So just let me know if anyone has any questions.
Thank you very much, Vama. That was a very wonderful presentation. So
Thank you.
I was at the background listening to your explanations about three top ICOs and three top altcoins to make investment, and also the news you talked about. There are many innovations around cryptocurrency and blockchain, because over here in Nigeria too and other African countries, there are
Mm-hmm.
some platforms, crypto platforms, that you'll be able to spend your cryptocurrencies directly using your MasterCard or Visa card. So there are people where there are even Bitcoin ATMs available in Nigeria.
Right.
Yes, so where people can make. There are many innovations around this ecosystem. So let me see if there is any question.
Yeah, I think Marley is here again once again. I think thank you, Marley, from coming from Netherlands once again. He's a very good friend of mine, and he says, "Wow, awesome! This covers a lot. No need for me to look for other places. So this is my honor to give you all information at a single go." And I also have my cousin Akshay Srivastav with me. So thank you, Akshay, coming here. And if anyone has any question, definitely they can ask me in the chat box. I see. Okay, please, not that I'm asking us, can you send weekly coins to buy? Okay, definitely I'll definitely send you personally weekly coins to buy, Marley. Thank you so much for this kind of thing. I'll definitely be in touch, and I'll help you with the weekly coins which you have to buy. And I'm very happy to see a lot of people coming this way. I think Abhinav Srivastav is also here. Very nice to see a lot of my cousins and people coming from India. I think they love your Coinex News Extra, so they are here to hear more about the media and the bullish nature of cryptocurrencies and blockchain.
Yeah, that's interesting. Now we are doing our best because we want people to get this education, proper education about these industries. A very good industry, blockchain and cryptocurrency, is going to change the way we do things, most especially in the financial sector. So I don't know if you have any other thing, Vama, because you've said it all.
Yeah, I mean, this is all. I think we'll stay connected, and let's just help this industry grow, because we get more people to come into this, because it's a very good positive energy. I find positive vibes, and it is going to grow. This industry is definitely going to grow.
Yes, thank you very much, Vama, for this nice presentation and your time. And we also thank our audience for joining us today. So always join us every week, Thursday, by this time, 5 p.m. Nigerian time, or 9:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. we are here for you. Stay safe. Thank you very much. See you next week.
Thank you everyone. Thank you for participating, and thank you Lee for this amazing opportunity once again. Have
Yeah.
a great night ahead. Bye bye.